What's going on, guys? And today a little windy, but we're gonna be working with the headlight. As you might can see, it's something not right with the driver's side headlight. The actual leans in there and it's looking up. What happened basically, you usually go through the pothole or you get in an accident, the same as I did. I got in an accident and the actual some lever, basically the motor, which is controlled the up and down movements, just pop out, and either it's not working, either it's something else. So we're gonna check it out today. Apparently it's moving from the left to the right, as you can see right now. I did not check anything which is related to the headlight, which is a stabilizer basically on a suspension component. You can see the passenger side, which is looking pretty straight, and I didn't show you in the video, but it's moving up and down whenever you start the car. For that job, we're gonna need to remove the wheel, remove the fender, then the actual guard, the wheel guard, and we'll see what we can do about it. So on a splash guard right here, we're supposed to have basically the unit, and basically one by the bottom piece, it's a big clamp. We're gonna remove the light bulb to reach the spot in there. There is the little spring. The top has to go, press it in and push it out the sides. So there you have it. But before that, actually just try to undo the connector. As far as you can see, that little knob in there, which is sitting in that motor, like behind that motor, and this is the hole where our headlight going. So look at, if I'm gonna start moving the actual construction, look at what is going on in there. You see, this is not engaged, and basically that's why the headlight is sitting straight, looking up, because it's supposed to be engaged with that little component in there. So what I'm gonna try to do, I'm gonna try to put some grease in there and pop it back on, snap it back on. So we'll see how it gonna go. Okay, I will try to show it on camera. Let's hide the wire here. And what I'm gonna be doing, as far as I'm seeing now, this is the strongest spot here. I'll try to pull it backward, and bam, this is snapped back. Sorry for the flashlight. We just put the whole construction back, and it actually looks pretty straight. So this is not bad at all. And let's put everything together and we'll see if it's moving up and down. This is one of the main reasons why the actual moisture getting into the headlight, because of the actual gas. So let's install the bulb. But after that step, just make sure your harness connected, which is plug and play. So we have our engine light here. So a couple pins here, and I will show them on the camera in a second from the top perspective. But in that step, you just gotta push it pretty hard and make sure everything just sit properly and perfectly. This is the actual knob right here, right over there, and right on the corner here, this is the little pin. So you gotta line them and then just press it all the way in there. Hope you guys like the video. Please put the thumbs up button there, subscribe my channel, and leave me a comment below. Next video, to install the little piece here, the trim piece.